A grammar lesson on adjectives and how to master descriptive words. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea, to provide more information about it. Adjectives can describe qualities, quantities, sizes, shapes, colors, and more. Let's see some examples. An old man. A sharp knife. A blue car. A delicious meal. Let's delve a little deeper into how an adjective can describe objects. Adjectives that describe ages tell us how old or young something or someone is, adding a sense of time to the noun. For example, a baby boy. An old castle. Adjectives that describe appearances give us details about how something or someone looks, helping to paint a visual picture of the noun. For example, a towering palm. A uniformed officer. Adjectives that describe colors allow us to visualize the appearance of objects by telling us what hue or shade they are. A yellow hoodie. A red tractor. Adjectives that describe distances provide clarity about how far apart things are, helping us understand the space and relation between objects or locations. A long run. A remote island. Adjectives that describe emotions help convey feelings and reactions, enriching our understanding of characters and situations. She's very happy. He's extremely annoyed. Adjectives that describe personalities provide insight into an individual's character traits, helping us understand their behavior and how they relate to others. He's a ruthless gangster. He seems shy. Adjectives that describe qualities help us understand more about the characteristics or traits of a noun, giving us a clearer picture of what something is like. A brave soldier. Smart boy. Adjectives that describe quantities tell us how much or how many of something there is, helping to clarify amounts. 4 stools. A few cookies. Adjectives that describe shapes help us visualize the form or outline of an object, making it easier to understand its appearance. A triangular sandwich. A round moon. Adjectives that describe sizes give us an idea of how big or small something is, offering more detail about the noun. A huge elephant. A tiny mouse. Adjectives that describe sounds convey the quality or characteristics of the noise, enriching our understanding of the noun. Loud music. A piercing cry. Adjectives that describe speeds tell us how fast or slow something moves, giving more detail about the pace or motion. A speedy car. A sluggish tortoise. Adjectives that describe temperatures help us understand how hot or cold something is, providing a clearer sense of its condition. A freezing day. A searing barbecue. Adjectives that describe textures help us understand how something feels when touched, adding sensory detail to a noun. A fluffy sheep. A crusty loaf. And finally, adjectives that describe times give us more information about when something happens, adding context to the timing of an event. My daily routine. A late lunch. That's all for now. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.